guide on how to add a new user in Google Workspace and update employee information so your organization runs smoothly. Managing user accounts properly is an important part of keeping your team connected and ensuring everyone has access to essential tools like Gmail, Drive, Meet, and other Google services. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Workspace. Once you arrive, locate the admin console. This is the central dashboard where all administrative settings and controls are managed. Before moving forward, make sure you're logged in using your business admin email. Only authorized administrators can make changes to user accounts, so the correct login is crucial. After you're in the admin console, look at the top right corner and click on the Google Apps menu. The small grid made of 9 dots. A list of Google services will appear. From that list, choose the admin icon. This will take you into the administrative area where you can manage users, groups, security settings, and more. Depending on your permissions, you may land directly on the main admin homepage. If not, simply click the homepage option located inside the console to return to the main control panel. Once you're on the homepage, look for the section labeled Users. This is where you can access your organization's user list and manage everything related to accounts. Click on the User section and you'll see an option to add a new user. Select this option to open the user creation page. Here, you'll need to fill out basic information such as the first name, last name, and the username that will become the new email address. Make sure you have the correct spelling and details ready. Even small mistakes can cause login problems later, so take a moment to verify each field carefully. After entering the required information, review everything before continuing. Once you're sure all details are correct, click the button to create the new account. When the account is added, Google Workspace will automatically generate a welcome email with login instructions. You can also choose to set an initial password or apply two-factor authentication if your organization uses enhanced security policies. Along with adding new users, this same area of the admin console allows you to update employee information at any time. Simply open the Users section, select the account you want to edit, and modify details such as names, roles, email aliases, or organizational units. Keeping employee information updated helps maintain accurate records and ensures each member has the correct level of access. With these steps, you now know how to add users and update employee profiles within Google Workspace. These essential tasks help keep your workspace organized, secure, and efficient, allowing your entire team to collaborate without interruptions.